MaintainX versus Limble, which CMMS software is better? Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to help you figure out which is better, MaintainX or Limble. Whether you're managing a maintenance team, overseeing assets, or just looking to streamline operations, this video is for you. MaintainX is known for its clean mobile interface, real-time messaging, and strong work order tracking, perfect for teams on the go. Limble, on the other hand, offers a deeper dashboard, AI-driven automation, and robust asset management, ideal for data-heavy operations. MaintainX is more affordable and beginner-friendly, great for small to mid-sized teams. Limble is a bit pricier, but it's packed with advanced features, better suited for large facilities with complex needs. So which is better? If you want a simple, mobile-first CMMS, go with MaintainX. If you need powerful automation and reporting, Limble might be worth the investment. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.